take a look here at Jordan's fake on Hornacek. He goes to the middle and comes back right down the baseline. The Bulls 3 out of 7 in the field.
Picking up the taxis. Let's get it. I headed to the store 4 to 5 too. Bag secured. Y'all see that there? Y'all see what's on the street today, man? No, it's these. They got the shoes in here at JD Sports. And then the taxis will be here in November. And in November they came. It is release day Saturday. You already know what it is, man. Hope y'all like that little intro I put for you, man. But yeah, we're gonna get into the video. Ain't gonna hold y'all up. What we got here, side 14. Shout out to the Bigfoots. The Big Footy Foots. Come on, man, with your boy. Come on with your boy. There. Get on out there. Y'all know we do this thing, no edits, straight fire, straight just all through. Let's get it. Okay, you got your receipt here. You know how to get these jokers for the $217. $10 off with the flex cash. I already know what it is. And then, whoo, sheesh. Woo. They don't even need this anymore. Woo. Oh yeah, I like these right here. How y'all liking these right here, man? I know some people don't like the shape. The shape look decent to me. I got a long foot, so of course they gonna still look like boats, but these joints looking nice, B. Now if you look at here, you got the tumbled leather going down the tongue. Let me go ahead, yeah. Going down the tongue, you have your rope laces. Wanting to know, you have your smooth leather. Ooh, look at that leather. Look at that leather. You have your nice snake skin, reptilian skin, whatever you want to call it. And your nice. Now these are more plush than the flu games for sure. I'm liking these right here. I'm liking the plushness of these right here. Yeah, these is fire, B. These are super fire, B. So, you got your Taxi 12s, man. Of course, you got your yellow Hit 23, your red Jump Man, you know. Your herringbone traction all right there. Then you got your carbon fiber plate. Hold up. I was making the shoe rock. Had to let y'all hear that. That carbon fiber looking like a bumblebee. But yeah, that's where they got the Taxi name from. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all don't remember, y'all know Martin gave the little boy the shoe, man. Let's check that out real quick.
Fit you, but try them for size.
Oh, the new Jordans. Gay little cuz the shoes, man. Brought a tear to everybody's eyes, man. But yeah, man, these jokers is official gristle tissue. Now, I like these. I wanted these the most, of course, because I wanted to complete the collection that Michael Jordan actually wore on court. And then I also just had to have that black sole bottom, outsole bottom. Because, you know, I needs that outsole to be good. Black. Playoffs, I didn't wear them too much. I had the sole protectors on them, but once those came off, I took them off. And, you know, I just don't wear them often because I don't want to get them dirty, even though I got the, you know, the icy sole stuff that you can still use that on white outsoles. You don't got to just use it on 11s, but I'm digressing as usual. Yeah, that's why I don't like wearing those. And they're yellow quick. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything, all the shoes lined up that MJ wore on court. I don't have every OG 12 because I don't have the Obsidian 12s. I don't want the Obsidian 12s. But yeah, I'm gonna put them all lined up and compare the leathers on each 12 that Michael Jordan wore, each OG. I have all the ones he wore with Chicago Bulls, so let's go ahead and get into that. So yeah, man, y'all got your all the OGs MJ actually wore as a Chicago Bull on court, on the NBA floor. You have of course, the taxis, your playoffs, your cherries, and your food poisoning games, because he actually didn't have the flu. It's food poisoning. So yeah, these are your food poisoning games, if you want to be technical, but of course everyone calls them the flu games. So yeah, man, just to see that video come to fruition is very beautiful, man. Finally got these. Like I said, I didn't rock these too much because I didn't want to get the outsoles too dirty. As y'all can see, they get dirty very fast. So it's like, yeah, couldn't do it. Like the shoe though. Like the shoe for sure. And then I scuffed them, I think, like right there. Yeah, I scuffed them right there. And then these are nice as well, of course. Love the herringbone, like zebra look to these. Love them. And of course, the classic, you know, flu games. Now, the leathers, you see this tumbled on the tongue of the flu game. Very tumbled. But it's like, it's tumbled and it's like a little soft. But you can just tell like it feels a little cheap. Then, of course, on the cherries, this is more of like that flat leather. As you can see, it still creases and stuff when you push it. A little bit more plush than the flu game. Then you have another tumbled right here on the playoffs. But you see the flu game is like a little bit more tumbled. But that playoff isn't as tumbled, it's more smooth. You know. It actually feels a little bit more plush too as well. And then you go to the taxis, super tumbled. This one feels the best. And I'm not hyping these up just because they came out today. What the heck is that? I just noticed that. What is that? What is that? What the heck? Oh my gosh, Nike, what are you doing? You already got a fray on my daggone lace. Then my other shoe, I ain't even show y'all this one. Nah, let's get into it, because y'all making me mad, man. Y'all making me mad. This is uncut. Y'all get into it. What the hell is this? What is this, Nike? And I swear this was on the shoe when I opened the box. I stamped. Opened the box. I look at that, I said, what is this? All right, back to the shoe. So yeah, this tumbled leather is just very soft. And you know, it's very tumbled on the side, feels good, plush, compared to the white leather on the cherry, which is kind of like stiffer and like feels cheaper. This leather actually feels a little more genuine and it feels more plush to the touch. So that's probably closer resembling the 97 pair, even though the 97 pair was even a little more plush than this, just a little bit. These are plush though. As you can see, you know how plush they come out right there compared. I mean, this was a little plush too, but I don't know. These feel better for sure. Like the leather's definitely soft. The leather's so soft. So yeah, man. As far as the leathers, we can go to this leather. This snake skin, this one feels very smooth. I don't know if anyone else's playoff 12s feel like that. It's very slick. This one you can actually feel, you know, the print. Just like on the cherry and on the flu game. I don't know what's going on with this one. It's like bald, it's like missing. I don't know, it's weird. It's very like, I don't know, it's very smooth. But still love the playoffs. Probably gotta get some more soap protectors for these so I can rock these more. And you have all your OG 12s here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys picked up these taxis today. Let me get that to focus. There we go. Hope y'all picked up them beautiful taxis today, man. And hopefully y'all were able to complete your OG colorway of MJ as a Chicago Bull rocking all these right here. Y'all can watch all the highlights and all that stuff right here and check them out and be like, yeah, I got those. But he actually won the championship in these, even though these get the hype because he, overcame being sick and put up 38 on the Jazz. But then the next game, they won the championship and he was wearing these. So this is actually the championship shoe of 1997. People don't really give this shoe that credit, but this shoe actually gets the credit as the championship shoe. But yeah, talk to y'all later. Peace and keep God first, baby.